it's Carly, and in this video I'm going to be getting ready. I am preparing and packing for my ski trip to Oakland, Maryland. Y'all, it's been a minute since I've posted, so keep watching to get some great content. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I am out of the shower and I just rinsed off the fake tan that I put on, and I wanted to share this product with you guys. It's by Be Tan and I love this. The one I use is called I Want to Be the Darkest Tan Possible, and I'm currently drinking my morning coffee out of this Ski School tumbler. I absolutely love it. I will show you the bags that it came with that I'll be using as my travel bags a little bit later in this video, but it's a Betsy Johnson line. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, now that my hair is done, I love how it turned out, super curly, and I put a freak ton of hairspray in there so it holds all day. And now I'm going to be brushing my teeth, and I'm going to be using this Crest 3D White toothpaste. There's a step 1 and a step 2 because I really want to have a bright smile on this ski trip. Okay, I just finished brushing my teeth. I think that the toothpaste did a pretty good job at whitening my teeth. Now I'm just gonna chat it up with you guys while I do my makeup, tell you a little bit about this trip, tell you a little bit about why I haven't been posting on YouTube that much, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. Also, if you guys want a more in-depth video of how I do my makeup, I could definitely do that. But for today, I'm just gonna be chatting about my ski trip that I am so excited to go on. So if you are not new to my channel, you'll know I've been posting videos about my life and stuff that I'm passionate about for a couple years now. And I love YouTube, and I know it's starting to go out of style a little bit, especially with TikTok on the rise. But I love looking back at my YouTube videos and seeing different eras of my life. And so I figured I wanted to pick back up on that. Now, my videos probably aren't going to be frequent because I am
still in college and working on getting my degree and working on getting a job and working out being a young adult, so my time management,
I don't know if I'm going to be making frequent videos, but I figured when important things in my life come up, I will gladly vlog them, and whenever I feel like I want to make a video, I'll post a video. Anyway, let's just keep chugging on. But let me tell you a little bit about this trip. We are going to stay in an Airbnb in Oakland, Maryland, which is about 4 hours from where I'm currently at, but I'm going to go to my friend Vinny's house. He just called me. We're gonna meet in the middle, and we're gonna stay at his house for one night with a bunch of other people that are coming on the trip with us, and then we are all tomorrow going to the Airbnb, and it is about 15 minutes away from Wisp Ski Resort, which is so exciting because we're gonna be super close to the resort. And tomorrow we're just gonna go skiing, and the place that we rented actually has a hot tub, and it's super big and it's super spacious, so I'm so excited to go there.
have a great time.
my makeup and my outfit is on, and I'm so excited. Now, I've got to roll out pretty soon, but I really want to show you everything that I'm packing for this trip, so let's get into it. Okay, this is my first outfit, and of course, probably my most favorite outfit. These are my ski pants. They're North Face. These are my waterproof gloves, which are so important when you're going skiing. Here are my black snow boots. I figured I could wear these if I wanted to go tubing or just go outside in the snow and wear them before I put my ski boots on. This is my ski jacket, and it's so funny because I actually still have my last ski lift pass on here. This is from Brian Head when I went skiing in Utah. And then these are just some undergarments I'm going to throw on under this when I ski. I love wearing a super long turtleneck so I can kind of pull it up over my mouth. And then just some leggings to wear underneath of everything. And then these are my new ski goggles that I just got for Christmas, so I'm super excited to wear these with the whole fit. Next, I'm packing this super cute outfit, which y'all, I'm so excited to wear it. I got these black earmuffs and then this black fuzzy jacket because they go so well together. And then this little après ski sweater that I can wear underneath of the jacket. And then I'm gonna wear these pantyhose and then this super cute skirt with some shorts underneath. And then of course, y'all, I love these. I love my black leather booties. I've got a bunch of black boots, but these I figured I would bring for my trip because they are gonna go great with so many outfits that I'm bringing. And then this is my next outfit. We're only gonna be there for 2 nights, so I thought I would just bring 2 fancy outfits. And these are my favorite faux leather pants with an après ski sweater that I got from Walmart. And then this hat, scarf, and sock combo are all brought to you from my brother for my Secret Santa gift. And then finally, I'm just bringing these 3 workout outfits. I figured these are great just for traveling, and then I can always put them on underneath of my ski outfit. I just got this brown set for Christmas, and I love it. There's already padding right here, so no bra needed. The same with this set from Willow. There's a built-in bra, and it is just so sleek. I love it. And then this is a cotton set, and it has a bell bottom, which I'm super obsessed with. Next, I'm just bringing this super simple black bikini because there will be a hot tub, and I figured this color would look great against my new tan. And then I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of pajamas. So these are my slipper socks, and then my Juicy Couture inspired sweatsuit, and then my cotton really cozy winter pajamas with my cute bunny slippers. This is what I plan on packing everything in. This is my Betsy Johnson ski girl bag. I love it. It feels like a winter coat. It's puffy, got these puffy handles. And then it also comes with this neck pillow that you can just put right on the strap there. And then I'm also bringing my Scout bag because I have a lot of clothes, so I need somewhere to put them all. Now I'm going to show you guys how I pack my smaller items. This is my makeup case, so all of my makeup is already packed up in here, ready to go. And then this bag actually also came with this bag. They came in 2 separate sets, but it's the same print, and I think I'm going to put all of my toiletries in here for the trip. This is usually my matching makeup bag toiletry case, but I wanted it to be on theme for the trip. Now for my toiletries I'm going to be packing, I have this Sol de Janeiro set, and then I also threw in some travel shampoos and conditioners. I have my hair oil, and then I just packed the rest of my toiletries, but look how cute this little strap for the bag is. Obsessed. And then I threw my iPad in there, which I usually don't bring on vacations with me, but because I want to edit this video and I also am doing some winter classes, I'm going to bring it along with me. And I'm also bringing my pink JBL speaker because I'm planning on hooking it up to my ski suit so when I'm skiing I can listen to some jams. I'm also bringing this buzzed game. Just thought it was something to do while we're in the cabin. I'm gonna be bringing my Louis Vuitton bag. I'm gonna throw some sunglasses in there, my hand sanitizer, and my wallet. And then finally for this trip, I am bringing these little bags that I made for everyone that is going on the trip, and I'm super excited to give everyone their gift that I made. Here is the bag, and then for each one, I made a tumbler cup, and I put a bunch of ski stickers and their name on it. Super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and watch the next video after this one, which is just a vlog about my ski trip that I'm so excited for. And yeah, that's the end of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Bye.